Hi, and welcome to this quick video on stock market trading. When we came across this article, we said we just have to do a quick video on it because it's a perfect example for those who are new to stock market trading, why it's actually important to look at the holistic picture of a company before making a decision to actually invest in their stock. So at the end of the day, we want to make sure with a humongous exclamation point that you do your research. Here's a perfect example of the Telsa stock, and more importantly, how a decision by a judge may impact that stock trading. So now, as of January 2024, a judge has officially went on record to void a $56 billion Telsa compensation package requested by Elon Musk. Listen to that number. $56 billion in which he requested to be compensated in return for services that he rendered to Telsa. Now, you may be saying, okay, that's great, but how does that impact me? Well, at the end of the day, if you are in fact considering to invest in the Telsa stock and you look at the year's performance, this is as of January 2024, and comparing it to the previous year of January 2023, you can see that the stock in itself is relatively close to where it used to be a year ago. It was listed at $240 a share in 2023. And then as you can see, as of January 31st of 2024, it is officially listed at $191. The reason that's important is that at the end of the day, if you're someone who's looking to invest in the stock market, you must understand that beyond looking at the metrics of what's going on with trading, you do in fact have to do your research from a news perspective. Look at a company's financials. And in this case, here is a perfect example where if a judge goes on record to say that his request for $56 billion is unfathomable to the point that he voids that request, one has to then obviously goes without saying to say that that is going to in fact impact the price of the stock market. Now, if you look at the performance of Telsa over a year, and if you were in fact looking to gain on that actual stock, as you can see here, the performance on the Telsa stock has not been pretty. There's not definitely a lot of short-term gain. Now, one may say, okay, that's great, but maybe there's going to be a long-term gain. And you're right, maybe there will be. But in light of the fact that a judge went on record to void this compensation package, it goes without saying that at the end of the year, this type of situation is not going to resolve itself very quickly. So again, this is not intended to be financial advice. If you want to actually invest in the Telsa stock, by all means, feel free to do that. But our point is simply this, that it's very important to do all your research before making a decision to invest in any stock. And we look forward to seeing you into the next video.